ready to elevate your pasta game with a dish that's as delicious as it is beautiful. Today, dive into the world of sun-dried tomato pesto gnocchi with burrata, a recipe that promises to tantalize your taste buds and add a splash of gourmet to your dining table. Begin this culinary journey by cooking 1 pound of potato gnocchi. Follow the package directions for perfect, pillow-soft bites. As the gnocchi bubbles away, grab a large skillet and warm 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté 1 clove of minced garlic until it's just fragrant, which should take about 30 seconds. Next, introduce 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes and half a cup of julienne sun-dried tomatoes to the skillet. Let these ingredients mingle and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. You're looking for the cherry tomatoes to just begin softening, releasing their juicy, tangy flavors. As the tomatoes blend, stir in half a cup of your favorite pesto and a 1/4 cup of fresh baby spinach. Watch as the spinach wilts gracefully into the sauce, creating a rich, verdant mixture. This only needs about a minute. Now, drain your cooked gnocchi and add them directly into the sauce-laden skillet. Toss everything gently to ensure the gnocchi are beautifully coated with the vibrant herb-infused pesto. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. To serve, divide the gnocchi mixture between plates. Crumble a 1/4 cup of feta cheese over each serving for a salty tang. The pièce de résistance? Place a generous portion of roughly torn burrata cheese atop the gnocchi. Its creamy texture will melt into the warm pasta, creating an irresistibly rich and luxurious finish. Here are a few tips to enhance your dish further. Consider adding a splash of reserved pasta water to the skillet when mixing in the pesto and spinach for an even silkier sauce. While traditional basil pesto is a classic choice, feel adventurous and try variants like roasted red pepper or arugula pesto. Vegetables such as roasted broccoli florets or sliced mushrooms also make delightful additions. And adjust the sun-dried tomatoes to suit your taste preference. You've just prepared sun-dried tomato pesto gnocchi with burrata, combining the earthy flavors of sun-dried tomatoes, the freshness of pesto, and the creamy delight of burrata. Each bite is a testament to the simple joys of cooking and the endless possibilities of pasta. Why not try making this dish yourself? It's a guaranteed way to impress and a delightful exploration of flavors and textures in pasta cuisine. Enjoy the process, savor each bite, and watch this dish become a new favorite in your culinary repertoire. Happy cooking!